Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make smooth movements. So first, click and create. Let's just use this cat sprite for now. And then, when the green flag is clicked, let's make it forever. It's going to change X by, wait. I already have one in my backpack. I could show you. Yeah, gonna remove this. Yes. So it's like this. First, I'm just gonna put everything there, and yeah. So when we took our when the green flag is clicked, forever change X by 10. Then take a change Y by. Then take 2 times operators from all the way here. Wait, I'll show you. Thought I forgot, but yeah. Take a times operator, put it in here. Then take a minus operator, put it in the first slot. Then duplicate it and put in the change Y. So it has to be the same. And make it times 10. And then if key right arrow pressed minus key left arrow pressed, and the same thing, but first is going to be key up arrow and next key down arrow. You can do WASD if you want. Then now let's test it out. So our smooth movement for this is done. And one more type, if we want a smooth thing, like when we touch it, it becomes bigger. We can use this. So I'm just going to remove everything. And yeah, first take a when green green flag click, go to Y0 X0, and forever is going to change size by 10, but put a divide operator in there. Then after that, take a minus operator and put it in there in the first slot. Then go to looks section and take this size block, which is right over here, put it right over there, and then put 100 times and times 19, but touching after minus, put the plus operator and put 100 plus times 19 in the second slot and put touching mouse pointer in the first slot. Now I have already shown this in my clicker video. If you want, you can go check out that video too. So now if we can move around this, and if we touch, it becomes this smooth movement. So that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.